ever need more room, you can simply put the rear seats down. First, lower the head restraints and stow away the centre seat belt. Then pull the lever on top of each split seat and fold forward. The seats can be folded partially or fully down. To put back up, simply do the same in reverse. Make sure you remember to clip in the centre seat belt again. You can also recline the rear seats by pressing the button on top of the seat and set in the reclined position.